Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to link GO2bank to Zelle. Well, this process is pretty simple since what you actually need to do is not link Zelle directly, but rather link your bank account that has Zelle to GO2bank. So for this, what we're going to do is log in by clicking on Login. When we click there, we're going to carefully enter our personal username, our registered email address, and our secure password. And well, after successfully completing that initial step, what we're going to do next is diligently look for the specific option to securely link our bank account, which is quite commonly this particular option here, typically labeled as bank transfer. Then, we will proceed to click right here where it clearly states link a new account. Here, this important button will clearly appear on your screen. We will then proceed to click on it, and well, a new prompt will subsequently show up, which will specifically ask us to carefully enter our unique username and our confidential password for the currently selected bank, okay? So, we verify our identity and do everything they ask us to do here so that we can complete all the steps, and we will have linked our bank, and therefore we will also have linked Zelle. And well, if this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.